Hi guys, this is J-Man1GS doing Legend of Zelda 4 Swords. It came on DSi for free today. And
what am I doing?
the first one. Yeah, do that.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is a training. I've played a bit of single player. And the game's really fun. It's on DSi for free, so get it. Yeah.
Oi.
Okay, stand on left.
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm in the station, but my DS is ready because it's not my DS.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, check. The competition is rubies. Tap down, but step on that. Hang on, wait.
Hi, idiot.
Which one do you want to stand on?
This one. No, that one. I want to stand on this one.
Yeah.
Oh, hi guys. Hello.
Don't talk to him, he's sad. Yeah, I got ruby shard. You know what ruby shards do? If I get 2 more, I get 500 rupees. Come over here, we need to push this. This is basic Zelda.
Oh, I got a red one.
Oh, we need to attack this. Please. Yeah. No, don't push it off. We need to push your 4 buttons down. You want to push that back on there.
Why do that?
And then step on that.
Why? You hit me.
One more time. Joe, step on it.
No.
Oh!
Jesus. Die. God.
Oh, sorry.
Die.
These?
Help.
Do you know what happened till you die? Ooh.
Yeah, I've already died. So.
I got 50 rubies.
So die.
Go! I love picking people ahead of this. Sort the thing out! What? Oh.
Happy?
Hang on, Joe, don't.
You fell.
No! Where are you? No, you can steal all the chests. Hey. Ah! Don't drop me. Hey. Oh, okay. Ah! Now we can.
Yeah, win.
Yep. God, it's all great. You have to keep pressing now. Spam
What do you think I'm doing?
Spam the B button here. See the good
Is this polystyrene?
No.
So how is this?
Take forever, yes.
I
Oh.
get this one. I
Hot
get that one as
home!
well.
What one? Oh, that one. No. Racist! Come here!
What was that racist? Oh, shield.
You already have shield.
Yeah, who cares?
Yeah!
Oh, that the shield. No, I don't like this one. I'm gonna swap it. I'm swapping. I got my over back. Oh, what the hell?
You're chucking me off the cliff. Yeah! Step on the thing. Let me step! Oh, use the shields. Then they tip over, then you can hit them. Get him!
I got a red one.
That's called rupee. Yes, you get hats.
What the hell? What the heck's supposed to do?
What
I'm
is
not
this?
wasting my shield.
Hadouken!
You got the mat hat. What the hell is that?
You did.
You're tiny.
Joe, move! It's mine! My ride! Idiot!
I'm doing it while I'm big.
You can't. You need to be equal. Told you.
Let me get the other chest. No! Jamie, the other chest is my one.
I know, I'm not trying to get the other chest, I'm trying to make it across. No! Right.
It's really hard as midway.
Oh my god. I'm on it. I'm just staying exactly where I am. Seriously, Joe. Hurry up.
I'm waiting for it to come back.
I'm ditching.
I'm gone. Where the hell are you?
Ditching. Hurry up and do it. Just stay there. Once you're on
I
this,
stood on it.
stay there. Don't bump about the chest here. Seriously. You done yet? Come on. My house. You can only walk in the one that's your colour. So.
Why can't you walk in that one?
What's that? Oh god, you wasted 50 rupees. Seriously, just go across the green one and then go. But how are you going to get across? Oh wow, you just walked in there to me. I've already pushed the button. Yeah. Not Joe! No! Stop it! Seriously, pick me up!
I'm driving.
Peace. Joe!
I'm driver.
Yeah. Right, we're going to go up. Let me just, yeah, it's better. Yeah, it's ice.
Station.
Ugh. Yeah.
This bike's there.
You have to hit all the balls in the hole.
What a shot. Ow.
I got all your rupees. You know there's a competition of rupees at the end. Hit it, just bump into it. I got all 51. Oh, last one.
This is my one. That's Val. I reckon that's Val.
Is it spawn black?
No. Go this way. I'm gonna collect some rupees.
Oh, I need that one. Rupee fever!
Oh my god. Where's the shoe? That's not helping me.
Spammy B button on Cozy. Hadouken! Yes! 200.
Oh, idiot. That's my one.
Alright.
Da, 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 da.
Oh! This is hard.
The hell?
Now we go up. I already did that one.
Go to the top one.
Which one do we want? Do you want this one?
You want this top
No,
one?
no, we don't want that one yet.
Go another one.
Terrible.
I've done this one earlier. It's fine.
This is our co-op walk because we were Legend of Zelda Full Sword. It's immersion.
And I don't know why you wanted me to hurry.
Because I'm
Just
on
because you
the...
wanted to be a girly pig.
You were purple when we played in the car earlier. Had to...
Oh, Jesus.
Ah! You have to hit it with your bow and arrow.
Right.
No, don't leave me. We have to defeat it. It's up to
He's
you.
coming to me.
Joe, shoot at his eye. Joe.
He's going after me. Yes. Where's my... Oh, my good dream.
I'm pressing B, that's why.
What did you...
At the same time. Go to that one. You can shoot it down. It's not hard.
Actual practice.
That's it. Hurry up, Ben.
How could you fall?
You have to hit the close.
Shows how much you suck.
Oh, thing, the chest. Shortcut.
That's my one.
Yes, ruby shard.
500.
No, 4 makes 500. Hurry up! BAM!
Let's play arrow tag.
Do it. Joe! 1 minute, 28 seconds. Oh, cool.
New record, baby.
Which one do you want to do now?
Obviously next one.
No, don't do Texas boots. Don't arrow bombs. Rock shock.
Boomerang.
Okay, we'll do rock shock.
Boomerang.
No, we'll do boomerang next.
I
Sure.
want boomerang.
Sure. Yeah, Yeah.
I'm yourself for the field the whole time.
No, you need rock shock. I love rock
The
shock.
hell is this?
Rock cake, actually.
Oh yeah, it really helps me.
It's because you can go out of it. 100. 200. 300. No, man.
We could share.
No. This is. Oh, wow. This is. Hurry up. It's the end. See if we do it in the
That was boring.
30 seconds. You do the last one, yeah.
Boomerang.
Doing it.
Carry me to boomerang.
Yeah. Okay, we do boomerang.
And then we'll do the last one. Yeah!
I haven't used the boomerang in the single
My
player.
name's Link, and I got my sword.
Hang on, Joe. Come here. Joe.
Boomerang.
No, try to
Yeah.
get towards me. No, I can't. Ah! Hey, Joe, there's rupees over there. Joe, is that on your rupee? That's a cool.
Greed idiot.
What the hell is that?
Anyway, I've got 60. I got a big green one.
I've got 100. Yeah. 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 Joe, help me here. It's hard.
Happy?
Yeah. Oh, black one. Oh, cool. My face on it. Heart mine. Racist.
That was calculated. Okay, I may have been to a Hindu temple, but come on.
No, no more racist jokes.
I'm staying in here to get some rubies.
Joe! Come back here!
I want rubies.
Seriously, Joe, we only have a little time.
Yeah, I got one. Ow!
Jesus Christ.
Oh, this one. No, I want that one. No, I want this one, that one. That one, yeah. You killed me, I'll kill you.
Let's see what you do. You press A.
Final level.
Yeah.
That means literally complete level 1. World
This
1.
isn't level 1.
No, I mean world 1.
This is the training.
Where's the world 1?
Yes. 1 rupee, baby. Yeah! Don't land on me! I guess I need to cut these. Cut them!
Oh, this is. But I want that one. No, which one should I pick?
Step on it!
Should I pick?
One that I'm not on.
I want that one. I want one.
Seriously, we're running out of time. Just Joe.
I want this one.
Oh, it's already dead.
How come mine's bouncing back and you're not?
Yes, I'm faster. But we both are.
Jesus.
You sure can't defeat one of those Batman? Oh, I know this.
What the hell? Oh, thank you. Follow me. Get it on fire.
This is hard. What do we do?
You grab that one, I'll grab this one.
Simple job. Yeah. Hey, what's this for? Joe, I have a good feeling about this. And we're over time, so bye guys. We'll see you in a bit.